Dear OxiClean, my son's baseball team has become an extended family with a special bond. Thanks for being the home run our team needs to keep these boys looking like the champions they are. Our boys have worked their tails off, and we celebrated one of our proudest moments just last year when they won their league's World Series. You can see the joy and accomplishment in their faces. And you can sure see all those dirt and grass stains on their pants. Really, who thought white baseball pants were a good idea? Thank goodness we found OxiClean. You just mix the solution and soak the items for up to 6 hours. Then add the items to the wash with regular detergent. The white pants come out stain-free and clean, just in time for the official team photo. Thanks OxiClean for being a part of our winning formula. Go team, Mickey Provost.